Hey y'all, it's Maddie and welcome to my YouTube channel. We're going to start off with a little bit of an introduction. I'm a sophomore at Elon University in North Carolina, which I'm absolutely and utterly in love with. And I'm a film major. So we're going to get started, and I have a bunch of questions from Tumblr, but I should probably find them first. So give me one sec.
To find yourself. To dance. And now Spotify.
Say hi to Snapchat, y'all. My computer. What does this mean? Guys, I found the question, so let's get started. Question number 1. 5 things that sum you up as a person. Musically obsessed? I don't know. That's number 1. I'm obsessed with anything and everything music. 80s hair bands, contemporary pop boy bands, underground punk scenes from the 60s, or musicals. I love everything Broadway and stuff like that. That's really what I started doing when I was in high school and stuff, so that's really important to me. Give me any suggestions for anything and I'll be all over it. Second thing would probably have to be pretty versatile, which these are all just adjectives. You know, one day I'll dress kind of like this and the next day I'll throw on a sundress and flats and curl my hair. Who really knows? It's depending on the day. I kind of like having multiple different interests and styles. That's pretty fun. I'm only going to do 3 things that sum me up as a person because I don't know what else to say. The last thing would kind of be, I guess, I don't know, big dreaming. That's not a thing. I'm currently in North Carolina. I'm from Pennsylvania, but I can tell anyone and everyone right now that I belong in California. And not just to live the big life and the glitz and the glam, but the whole idea of, you know, wanting to be somewhere and do something big, that's what I want to do. And I can't wait to finally be out there and be doing what I love. Question number 2 is current thoughts. Current thoughts are, oh, my roommate gets home from work in a half hour. I should probably finish this. Also, really loving where I am right now in my life. And question number 3 is what you think of when someone says home. Home for me is back in Pennsylvania where I grew up, but also here at school, definitely. I, decided to come here and everything, and I knew this was home. I've made my best friends in the entire world here. It's just an amazing place and I love every bit of it. Question number 4, what are your pet peeves? But one of my own personal ones, like for me, is I hate sneezing in public. I don't have a cute little dainty sneeze and it's aggressive. And if I'm in class and I feel a sneeze coming, I have a panic attack. Like it's not good. I hate it. 5. My best friend is gonna kill me. Thoughts/opinions on Harry Potter. I've only ever seen the first Harry Potter movie, and I don't even know if I've seen the whole thing. I don't have any opinion for it or against it yet. Allison, I promise, I'm gonna watch it. But okay. Question number, I've lost count. I'm skipping some. So one thing on my bucket list. I know a few things on my bucket list. One of them is to go skydiving. I really, really want to go skydiving. I don't want to bungee jump. That freaks me out. But I want to go skydiving. Another one that I hope to accomplish fairly soon is camping out behind the Hollywood sign with my best friends. So Introduce yourself with a GIF. Do I have any on here? Make one, somebody. An experience you will never forget. I could go really cheesy and basic, or I could go really sentimental. Combine the two. This past summer, I saw my first One Direction concert. And not only did I see my first One Direction concert, but I saw my first and my second. And I was there with my best friend in the entire world. It was something that I looked forward to the whole summer. I saw them in Philly. They were there for 2 nights and we went both nights. But I was with my best friend Allison, and it was an incredible experience. The energy and the excitement from everybody there, you know, whether they were 10 or 24. Someone would find in my bag, in my backpack, nothing in here. Oh no, a sweatshirt. What did I want to be when I was a child? I wanted to be a singer. Hardcore. It's a voice recording of me when I was 2. I couldn't even speak yet, and I was singing Summer Nights from Greece. Current favorite song. I'm really into 4 or 5 Seconds by Rihanna and Kanye and Paul McCartney, because that's just a lot. But I'm also reteaching myself the guitar right now, and I'm working on the song Disconnected by 5 Seconds of Summer. So that's always a classic. But it's been stuck in my head for weeks because I can't get the chords out of my head. And last but not least, what inspires you / what keeps you going each day? Just the excitement of getting to have a life and opportunities where I get to do really incredible and cool things. And knowing that all this hard work right now is going to lead me to even cooler things in the future. And also, I have the best support system with my friends and my family in the entire world. I can't even begin to talk about how fortunate I am. Alright guys, so this is all I have time for today, but I hope you enjoyed getting to know me a little bit, but also hope you stick around for getting to know me a little bit more, because there's no amount of questions on Tumblr that the world could ask a person to be able to know them. We're gonna do some fun things, and if there's anything you want to see or want me to say or talk about or do, I'll do it. Let me know. Let's just have a good time. So keep rocking, stay pretty, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye guys.
For you.